Sounds of a Summer Night. You lie in bed, not asleep, even the birds are not asleep. Phoebe, Phoebe, bobolink, cheep. A soft breeze stirs the leaves in the trees, soft rustle of leaves. Slowly the sun goes down behind the mountain, down. Streaks of pink light up the sky, and pink is the water in the pond below. No sound but the quiet lapping of the water, the soft rustle of leaves. Gone is the pink from the sky, from the water, gone is the last light of day. Light comes the signal of night, the voice of a swallow. Night has come, bullfrogs drum, didum, didum. Crickets sing the cricket song, chirp, 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 chirp. Katydids call, the katydid call. Katydid, katydid, Katy did. What did Katy do? Katy did, Katy did, Katy did. And without a sound as it flickers by, goes the silent firefly. Spark, flicker, glow, glitter. How many fireflies glittering by blink their lights in a summer night? More, and more. 7, 11, 47. Many more. Voices, grown-ups talking in their nighttime voices. Footsteps coming into the house. Tick tock, the clock ticking by the door sounds louder than before, louder than the voices, clearer than the footsteps. Tick tock, tick tock. Tick tock, drum, frog. Tick tock, bullfrog, leap, frog, still, frog, bullfrog, did. Katy did what? Didn't did. Grum did, frog-a-log. Katy talk, wicked cricket. No, not so. Gentle, slow, low creep, soft sleep. Sleepy, sleepy, sleep. Thump, pounce, leap, bounce. Listen, it must be a squirrel that pounces across the roof every morning. Morning? Is it morning? Phoebe, Phoebe, caw, 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 and the sound of the tractor coming up the road. Crows do not caw in the night. Birds do not sing. No tractor comes up the road at night. It must be morning. A humming, buzzing, stirring summer morning.